Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can access Microsoft Copilot on Edge. So let us guide you through this. So guys, you can do this by running Microsoft Edge, for example. As you can see, I'm on Microsoft Copilot here. Now you can also access the Copilot chat and conversation through that tab in the top right corner. You may access it by using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift and plus, what is it, a dot. So click into it. And that is going to give you the opportunity to initiate a conversation with with Copilot while being logged into your Microsoft account. Now, if you don't see that button, guys, it may be because you're using an outdated Edge version. So what you want to do is, if that's the case, navigate to your Edge settings by clicking into these three dots, by selecting settings, and here click into that lowermost tab about Microsoft Edge and allow Microsoft Edge to look for any recently released versions or updates, so that these may be downloaded and installed. If necessary, restart Edge afterwards, and that button should appear, of course. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.